prior to Kathi coming in, I had stacks of paper on my desk. This isn't my desk, but I had stacks of paper. If you walked into the front door of my office, you probably oftentimes wouldn't even be able to see me sitting there behind the stacks. After, I have a completely clean desk much of the time, not always. If you went in there right now, you'd see a few pieces of paper on the desk and file folders behind me and in my drawers all organized. And it's been, what, a year, I think?
Couple years.
Probably 2
actually.
years since we instituted this. And it's really great. I've been through 2 tax rounds, both with the business and with my personal taxes, and been able to follow all the ins and outs of that. I've got all my records in perfect array. I know where things are. When Lori, my wife, asks me for something, I can walk right up and grab it before it would finally be found in some stack somewhere next to my desk. And so I'm really pleased with how it's come out. The business allows me to keep my materials organized according to the categories that Kathi recommended and the filing system that was recommended. I'm now continually processing backlog of paper through the system, so it's been a great thing. I'm thankful for all that Kathi did in setting it up with me.
So do you think you save time on a weekly basis from not finding or being able to find papers?
Absolutely, no question about it. Just the search time, reducing the search time for things that I'm looking for, certainly on a weekly basis, if not a daily basis. And then just the feeling of being able to take any piece of paper and put it somewhere. I can swivel around, just rotate my chair, drop it in the appropriate file place, and it's really great. It saves me a lot of time.
Awesome. And going to taxes was probably a lot less painful, right?
Yeah,
That's
absolutely.
quick.
Yeah, now I probably reduced what used to feel like a 4 or 5 hour task every year down to about 1 or 2.
Brilliant.
Yeah, great.
Well, you're a very good student, actually.
Thanks.
Thank
Thanks.
you.